Yours is way more livelier than mine.
Oh, you got the bonus. Y'all heard FNS Eddie? He said yours is way livelier than mine. I'm like,
Okay.
All right, what you gonna pick, Dad? Oh, is that right?
Playing around, I'll go after the money.
Hello, viewers. Reiko here. You guys, hope you are having a fantastic day. You guys, check out what I'm in front of. Yeah, y'all, dancing drums. Explosions. Y'all, we had our subscriber, Kathy Meeks, make the request for some play. Y'all also got FNS Eddie down the way playing it. Yeah, so if he hits, y'all, I'm going to go running over there so we don't miss. Hey, Dad, any progressive jackpot hits you get, let me know. All right, you guys. So we got 500 in, playing to get a bonus. We'll start off with some 588s and work our way to 10. So you need these 2 bets in order to qualify for the, looks like the increased jackpot feature. So let's do that, y'all. Let's see what we can do. All right, here we go, y'all. Looking for 3 drums in the front. Warm it up on 588. Somebody's gonna hit that mill. Why not us, Dad? Okay, that's pretty good, y'all. That's pretty good. I don't know, that might be face worthy, y'all. We got the dragon dogs, and we close the pot. FNS Eddie right here, y'all. Look at it, he had to come on over.
I get it warmed up, my son takes over.
Yeah, y'all. And here we go, y'all. So 193 to start. And we're playing for the upgraded progressive, but I don't think we got it. But hey, if we get that 18K, oh my. Let's see what we can do. Oh, that's what we want, y'all. Oh, one more.
Just stay away from those.
That's good life advice, man. Really good life advice. Oh. Yep. All right, y'all. Hey, I can't complain. We came for a good time, and we got it, y'all. Yeah. That was a warm-up spin. I don't know. All right, let's do a few backups, and then we'll jump over. All right, last one there, and then we'll do a few at 10. And then we might jump machines if nothing happens beyond that. Gotta give y'all longer than a 2-minute video. Come on, close the pot. Nope. All right, keep it above 600. All right, money back. Oh. Might go jump to get closer to Dad, y'all. Wow, that would have been nice. Let's sprint and sprint. Where is the there it is. Okay. I'm gonna jump over there, y'all. Let's try the other machine. Hey, Dad, how you feel about me playing next to you?
Oh, well, that one didn't work.
Oh, it doesn't work?
Yeah, at least.
Oh, man.
Well, it might work. I just didn't know what I was doing. Go ahead and do
Okay, all right, let's try. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Oh, you got the big drums. I'm trying to get like her. Get the big drums.
You know what? We're gonna do mystery. We're gonna do mystery.
No, it doesn't work.
What did you get?
I don't know.
Oh, wait, yeah, it does work. It just eats the money slowly. All right, y'all, so it took the voucher. Gonna turn it up. It's already up. Okay. That's a way to go. That's a way to go. All right, y'all, let's see if we can get like her. All right. Y'all, it's an 18,000 grand. That's crazy. Do a few more at 588. Y'all, we hearing bonuses around us. We need to join the bonus club. Let's go to 10. gonna mix it up, y'all. 10s and 588s. $12. Do one more there. Back to 10. All right, Kathy. Hey, hopefully we get a bonus.
Yours is way more livelier than mine.
Oh, you got the bonus. Y'all heard FNS Eddie? He said yours is way livelier than mine. I'm like,
Okay.
All right, what you gonna pick, Dad? Oh, is that right?
Playing around, I'll go after the money.
Go after
Give it to me
the
or no.
gusto. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good.
480.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing like getting your money back and some.
Yeah, y'all.
And
That's
the
a good first
maybe let's get a
spin.
re-trigger.
Maybe. Y'all, this is FNS Eddie's show right here.
Well, hey, what if I get a hand pay?
You might. You very well might. You got 2 more shots to do it.
Wouldn't that be something to get another 5?
Here, I'm going to pull this back.
I'm going to put no paperwork in.
All right, you guys. Look at FNS Eddie.
That's an unusual sound.
Is that right? I want to hear it again. Oh.
Come on, give me something good right
Oh, not bad. Not bad.
here.
Close the pot.
Hey, look at that. I got some.
Yeah, y'all. Come on, Dad. Now, the question is, are you about to get 900 or 18,000? What you getting, Dad?
Whatever I get.
That'd be 18K. That'd be 900.
Oh, I got to stay away from her.
Oh, you got to stick with her. You got one more. Oh, anything but green, anything but green.
Oh, I'm scared of her.
Go ahead, Dad. I mean, you already know the lingo with this. Okay.
Well, I got 23 bucks. More.
Crack 600. That was awesome, Dad.
Well, got to do some follow-ups.
Yeah, you do, you do. Then I got to do a few over there where you're at. That was awesome, Dad.
Okay. There's 1,
Do your backups.
2.
Oh, you know what? Why don't you just keep it above 6?
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Close it again. Oh, I thought it would close.
Oh, could have got the
Good close. Oh, all right. Last lucky spin. Unless you're doing a 588.
No, I'm a
Print and sprint.
Print and sprint.
All right. Way to go, Dad. All right. Well, I guess I'll just do a few spins, y'all. FNS Eddie did the hard work, so I'm just here for decoration. I'll keep it above 500, y'all.
You did better than that.
Oh, man, y'all. We're missing the middle one there. Oh, last lucky spin. Or better yet, I'm going to do one at 588. Yeah, got to. And we're going to print and sprint, y'all. Hey, want to thank you very much for watching.
Well,
Dad, good job.
We got some video.
Yeah, we sure do, and some good play, y'all. So thank you very much for all your support. Well, hello, viewers. Reiko here, y'all, in front of Fortune Time. Have you guys ever seen this before? I never have. I mean, I've never seen it. Y'all, interesting. I like the pots. The pay lines don't look bad. Let's see what we can do. All right, y'all, we're going to be doing max best spins. I think it's $9, but let's see. Come on, baby. Yeah, $9. Okay. Is there volume on here? I don't see a volume button, though, you guys, so if we have to jump, we will. But let's do a few spins first, see what this looks like. Come on, baby. don't know. No hits yet. Very curious. Where are the pay lines? Okay, so that paid us a lot. What did that pay us? Oh, 40. Wow. So I'm assuming it's these symbols? Okay. All right, let's try this. Don't need volume if you're winning. So it says randomly awards on winning combinations, that respin feature. So maybe we'll get it. Come on, baby. So I'm assuming we want hits on the straight line. So there's actually just a couple pay lines. Okay. $10. So the pay lines are straight across. Okay. Now that makes sense now. Oh, should have hit that bar. Come on, do it. Okay. Not bad. 14. So this symbol just pays us. That's a very good symbol. So we want straight across, y'all. I'm gonna jump machines because I wanna see if one of these has a little volume, you guys. I'm very curious. Y'all let me know in the comments below if you've ever played these. Never ever seen it. Maybe one of these has volume. Let's see. Maybe this one. So it sounds like it has a low volume. Do max bet. Come on, do it. Oh, got a respin, y'all. Got our first respin. Okay. Come on, baby. Oh, man, that's what we want. I wonder what them 888s are worth. Okay. I like it, y'all. I like it. Do a few backups to that. Maybe I'll try the row. Oh, it's too bad there's only 3 pay lines. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, so that's a good symbol. We want those yin yangs, y'all. Oh, that's good. That's a good win. 30. Might have a good machine. Come on, baby. Do a few more here, then let me jump over again. All right, little love there. So any spin, y'all. Oh, that's a good one. Y'all, it could respin on this if it wanted to. Oh, and it did. Awesome. It's respinning on a good winner. Maybe we can do something big. No volume, y'all, so all the excitement's coming from me. That's a good win. That was awesome. Oh, it's still going. Oh, come on, baby. Do it, do it. What is that? It's saying it's a good win. It's saying it's a good win. Oh, okay, so we hit the bottom jackpot. Okay, okay. I got it, I got it. So it hit the bottom one. So, okay. Starting to get it now. All right, let's do a few backups to that. Maybe we'll play the row, y'all. Or not. It's just hitting, y'all. Look at that. Oh, imagine if it respun on that. That'd be nice. That's what we want. Oh, there we go. Y'all, this one is just respinning his tail off, y'all. Oh, come on, baby. Wow, 3 of them. What is that? What did we do?
Just take it to speed.
Wow. We hit 3 of them symbols on there, too. This is a good red spin. Oh, come on. Do it, do it, do it. That's a good win. Jackpot win. Wow, we hit the middle jackpot.
115.
Look at that, y'all. We are climbing. Let me come back down here to make sure I don't miss nothing. So that one's reset. We building a ticket. All right, let's keep it up. Oh, come on, do it, do it, do it. Okay, another good win.
Jackpot win.
24, so we reset the jackpot again. Y'all, we're killing it on this one. Oh, come on, do it, do it, do it. I love this game. That's another jackpot win. We keep hitting the 20, y'all. We keep hitting the 20.
Ain't nothing like a $20 hit.
Yeah, we'll take it, y'all. Hey, I'll hit them 20s all night if you let me. We still haven't lined up just regular bar. That's actually a surprise. But we are hitting symbols. Oh, come on, do it, do it. Yeah! Y'all, we got the middle jackpot again, y'all.
100.
We building the ticket. Y'all, so if we hit 3 of those symbols, that's how we hit the 10,000, you
And
guys.
if you hit that, we're gonna be one.
Okay, so third with credit per line and winning combination. Wow, that's crazy. That is insane. Loving this game, y'all. I recommend playing this one at your local if you have it. Oh man, let's do it. Okay, we hit the bottom jackpot again, you guys. Wow. There's only 3 pay lines, Dad, but as you see, they're hitting. They are hitting. Oh, man. It's a good one. We'll keep it above 500, y'all. Oh, come on, baby, do it. Oh, so close, so close. You know, when you feel like a machine might be broken and it's going to keep hitting. Oh, come on, baby. Let's hit it again. Okay, not a bad one. Another $20 reset. Ooh, yeah. Y'all, another coin show. I don't know. I'm going to keep playing it until it stops paying. Yeah. Okay, first time we got mixed bar. That's interesting. I thought we'd get a red or something out of that. Oh, so close. Oh, got a red or a yellow. When I say red, I mean yellow. Y'all, another respin. This is awesome. Oh, come on, do it, do it. Oh, still a good win, y'all.
You got some 20 bucks.
Still a good win. That was awesome. Only 3 pay lines, but hey, awesome game. It's that silent assassin, y'all. I got a feeling these mixed bars is really gonna turn up on us. Oh wait, FNS Eddie got something, y'all. Let me go over there.
Oh, I got 35 bucks.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
A jackpot win, and it was 35 bucks up there, and that went to 20.
Oh, okay. Okay, he got a jackpot win, y'all. You know, I had to double check, because you never know with FNS Eddie. Hold on, y'all. Y'all, we need to see this. Wait, man, I can't even walk away from you. You keep hitting. Let me see you do a couple spins. Keep going. I want to see what's going on here. Oh, okay. Same thing here. Only 3 pay lines. Okay.
Okay.
So it'll have some dead spin periods, but you guys, if it's hot, it's hot. Come on, baby. Do it. Do it. 7s. Oh, so close, Dad. I'm going to finish off over here, y'all, so we can ride the wave while it's hot. All right. Come on, baby. Okay, that's a good win. We got a coin show for that. It gives you a lot of coin shows, you guys. All right, yeah, if you haven't played this, you guys, I definitely recommend it. Come on, baby. Let's wake back up. Oh, almost had trips. Oh, $4. Okay, 4 again. And it can do that respin anytime you have a winning combination. All right, last couple spins.
I think I'm gonna play this one.
Oh man, so close. All right, last 2 spins. Oh, come on, baby. Last spin. All right, y'all, can't complain. That was an amazing game. What'd you think, FNS Eddie? It was fun, right?
Said 250 looked good to me.
Yeah.
What do you want to play?
All right, you guys. Hey, thank you for watching. Oh, wait. Let's see if FNS Eddie does something in a couple spins. Go ahead, Dad. All right, y'all. Thank you. Viewers, this is FNS Eddie getting his cardio on, getting in shape so he can run and find these jackpots per your subscriber request. So please list them in the comments below.